Devashish Makija.
Very good. When Ali became Bajrangabali story was written by Devashish Makhija. Very good. It is about, the story is about, tell me. Uh,
When
it is,
Ali became
no, it is about a story in Bargachol. Yes?
Bargachal, ma'am.
Yes. The entire story took place in the Bargachol, no?
Bargachal, ma'am.
The entire story was in Bargachol. So you have to write a story in Bargachol. And what I liked the best, you tell me, what do you like the best? Which part do you like the best in when Ali became Bajrangabali?
Ma'am, part means
Means what? What?
what?
Shall I tell? I'll give you.
Monsters.
No, you liked monsters.
Yes.
Okay.
I like Annie.
Okay. So you have to write that. What I like the best.
I
For ex-
like Bajrangabali.
Very good. For example, see, I'm going to read
I
one
like Mr.
sentence.
Mootwala.
Moochwala, you liked. Very good. Okay. For example, I will give you one sentence. What I liked the best in the story, I liked Ali, who saves the tree from being cut by acting as, okay, Bajrangabali. I liked that part. Ali became Bajrangabali and he saved the tree, no? Yes? He saved the tree, the shelter of all the animals. That was so nice. What I did not like Mr. Moochwala, who was trying to cut the trees. Yes, I did not like Moochwala. Now you have to tell me what you liked and what you did not like from the story. Ready? Yes? Okay. Sai Joshit, what you liked and what you did not like?
Ma'am,
Yes?
I didn't like monsters and I like Ali and Bajrangabali.
Very good. Janvi? Every day. Oh, what happened, Janvi? Fast, don't waste time.
I what question, ma'am?
Very good. Super. Ananya Pupala,
Yes,
now tell me what you liked the best in the story and what you did not like.
I like Bajrangabali and don't like monsters.
Very good. Janvi, now you got the
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Tell me fast. Tanvisri,
What I didn't like. Ma'am,
yes,
I
Janvi.
like Bajrangabali.
Okay, you like Bajrangabali, Tanvisri, and then what you didn't like?
I did not like I don't Mr. Muchwala.
Okay. Ananya is done. Janvi is not responding today. Why?
Yes, ma'am. I don't like monsters.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very good. Yes, Ashrita.
I like Gileri
Okay.
and I don't like Mochwala.
Very good. Tanvis, Tarini.
Miss, I don't like all. Miss, I don't like Ravan and I like all birds in the tree.
All birds on the tree.
Yes.
Okay. Ketana,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, what did you like and what you did not like?
I like Bajrang Bali. I didn't like monsters.
Very good. Dhruti,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
I like Bajrang Bali.
Okay.
I did not like monsters.
Very good. Okay. Mayuri,
Ma'am.
Arhan Muhammad,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
tell
Ma'am.
me what you liked and what you did not like.
I like Jay Bajrang Bali.
Huh.
And I don't like Bajrang Bali.
Hi. You like Bajrangabali and you don't like Bajrangabali.
I don't like Bajrang Bali.
You like?
Jay Bajrang Bali.
Can you tell me what is the difference between Jai Bajrangabali and Bajrangabali?
Huh?
Huh. Who is Jai Bajrangabali and who is Bajrangabali?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, let me come.
Huh? Okay, something went wrong with that boy. My yes, Mayuri.
Ma'am, I like Jai Bajrang Bali. I don't like Mr. Moochwala.
Okay. Yes, Veda.
Ma'am, I like Bajrang Bali. I didn't like Moochwala.
Okay. Hayati,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
I like Bajrang Bali. I don't like Ravana.
Ravana. Okay. Ravan. Pradiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, fast.
I like Gali.
Okay.
Monsters.
You don't like monsters. Okay. Ashwat.
Ma'am,
Okay. In When Ali Became Bajranga Bali story, what did you like the most and what you did not like?
I like Bajrang Bali.
Okay. I did not like.
And I didn't like Bajrang Bali. I like Bajrang Bali Hanuman. Real.
Real Hanuman you liked. You didn't like Ali as a Bajranga Bali.
Yes.
Okay. Bhavashid.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me what you liked and what you did not like.
I like Bajrang Bali. I don't like Ram Leela.
Ram Lila. Okay. Swarnika. Hayati Arhan. Ayansh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Swarnika, tell me.
I didn't tell ma'am.
You tell Swarnika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayansh, tell me what you liked and what you did not like.
I don't like Ravan.
Okay.
I like Bajrang Bali.
Okay, good. Swarnika, tell me now fast.
I like Jalebi.
Okay.
I don't like Bajrang Bali.
Okay. Advit Gujja,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you like?
I like Jalebi. I don't like Mr. Bajang.
Mr. Moochwala.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sudhamsh, Sudhamsh. Okay, children. Okay, you are going to write your favorite character in the box provided on the page number 25. And then next there is a big box for the picture of your favorite character. Okay, in our previous class we have discussed about the describing words. And now who is that? Ma'am, somebody's calling. Dhriti, is it you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
I didn't see, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So describing words are also called as, do you remember? We have discussed this. Describing words are also called as adjectives, right?
Adjective.
Yeah, adjectives.
Adjectives.
Yes, which helps us to describe a noun or a pronoun. Very good. So now you have to open course book page number 23. See, there are few pictures and boxes provided beside the pictures. What we are going to do now? We are going to describe those pictures. First picture. What is the first picture you have there? First write date and CW. Come on. What is date today? 18. And March 3, month 3. Come on. First picture you have. Now tell me, what is the first picture you have? Everyone has to tell. Can you identify that picture? What is that picture? Yes, tell me.
Dustbin. Dustbin.
Yeah, it's a bin. Very good. So now you tell me, how does it look? How does it look?
Dirt. Dirty.
Very good. So dirty is a describing word we are using. Dirty is a describing word we are using for the first one. Come on, right there. Dirty. And second box, it is already written there. Foul. How does it smell? Yuck, foul.
Foul.
Yes. And how does it taste? We don't want to know.
No,
And
bin.
yes.
Bad.
How
It's
does it feel? We doesn't want to touch it yet.
Bad.
So leave it.
Bad.
And now how does it sound?
Smelly.
Sound. How does it sound?
I don't know.
You just want to tell dust. Wow, dustbin.
Ma'am, ding, ding, ding. Ma'am,
Yes.
when we throw,
Very-
after we use in the dustbin, the
Huh?
sound will be thump.
Not that sound. Actually,
Ma'am,
yes.
after writing the notebook or textbook.
Very good. Nice question.
And sound
Where
is
we are going to write, children? Children, can you tell me where are we writing this?
course book.
Course book page number
23.
23.
23.
Yes. Now write very bad. How does it sound? It sounds very bad.
Bad.
Next one, let us see the next one. What is the picture you have there?
Flower. Flower, ma'am. Flower.
Flower, okay.
Flower look like beautifully.
Okay.
Beautiful. Or nice.
Yes. So what we are going to do here? How does it look? It looks beautiful. Okay. Let us write beautiful.
B-E-A
And next, how does it smell? It is
Nice.
already given
Nice.
there, right? Nice. Oh, nice. And then, how does it taste? Oh, we are not going to taste it.
We
We
don't
don't taste the
Ma'am, we
flour.
will not eat that,
Okay.
ma'am.
So how does it
Ma'am, we can
feel?
taste.
Lovely.
Huh?
Lovely.
Yeah. Lovely. Or you can write soft, lovely. Okay. You can write anyone. Your wish. What you want to write? I'll write here
I
soft.
want
You can write even lovely. Yeah, you can write lovely also.
So,
Write lovely there. Lovely. Lovely. Anything you can write. Soft or lovely. And then,
why?
how does it sound? No sound.
Nothing.
Yes,
No
nothing.
sound.
And now what do you have there? Wow. What's that?
Strawberry.
Yeah. And how does it look? How does it? Red. Very good. Huh?
I love strawberries.
Oh.
How does it smell? Nicely. Nice smell.
Huh? How does it smell?
Nice.
Nice.
Tasty
or
also
good?
nice.
Yes. Nice.
Tasty
You can
also
write
nice, ma'am.
nice.
Ma'am, tasty also nice.
Huh? Smell.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
Ketana 23.
23. Nice.
You can write nice. You can write good.
Nice, good. How does it taste? Taste is also nice, ma'am. Ma'am,
1 second, beta.
taste is also nice.
Yeah, taste. Now we are going to write the taste. Yes. How does it taste?
Good.
Nice.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Okay. So you can write sweet. Or
S-W-E-E-T,
You
sweet.
can write juicy. You can write juicy.
I like sweet.
You can write any one of that. Sweet or juicy.
I'll write two, ma'am.
233.
Next one, sweet, juicy. Okay. And how does it feel? Soft and moisty.
Soft.
Yeah. Soft. Or you can also write moist.
Soft. O I S T. Most soft. Mustaft. Sound is nothing.
Yes. No sound. So next, the last one you have. Wow.
Popcorn.
Yes, popcorn. And they
I
look
like
like
popcorn.
snowy. It is already there. Snowy.
How does it smell? Very nice smell
Huh.
came.
Snowy.
If
Yes.
you smell that, it will come to us.
Yes, very nice smell, no? So how does it smell?
Nice.
Nice.
Or good.
Okay, nice. Or good.
Nice. Nice. Good. Good. Come on.
Okay. How does it taste?
Nice.
Nice.
You can write something
tasty.
different. You can write sweet or salty. Which
Sweet.
popcorn do you like to eat? Salty or sweet?
Salty.
Okay, then you can write that salty.
SALTY. Salty.
Okay.
How does it feel?
How does it
So
feel?
hot.
Hot.
If we will touch that, it will so hot. It will be
Okay.
hot.
Soft and hot. Good.
How does it sound? Nothing.
Okay.
So,
Soft or hot. You can write anything.
We don't write nothing. How does it sound? Nothing.
Nothing. So these are all the describing words, different describing words we used here for different pictures.
Sound also completed, ma'am.
Very good.